Dude, I overslept. uh, uh. Hey, how about that distribution call, guys? Should have shorted it here, but I took a nap. Took a nap. Distribution at the highs. No, like I was just supposed to take a nap, dude, and I fucking overslept. But of course, I'm still going live for you guys, dude. Of course. You missed your own call again. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I could have gotten in on the distribution, bro. I called it. I did. I called the distribution. You guys saw it. Everybody saw it. You know what? I have a question. Who was able to catch this distribution on their own without me? Like, who saw the distribution today? You longed this distribution? That would make me drop an F-bomb, dude. $89, $750. Nice, Barb. Did you see the? Did you do that expecting distribution, bro? That's kind of fire. Fuck, man. I was that nap cost me, dude. I was also texting a chick and she didn't believe that I was just napping, and now she's upset with me. But hey, whatever. We got some sleep. Where are the charts? Let's jump into this. All right, so on the 4 hour. So what did we talk about earlier on the 4 hour? We didn't really want to short on the 4 hour because we were in premium, or we were in discount of the range last time that we talked, right? But what happens, we come up into premium of the range, which is where you want to short, targeting the 4 hour week low at 85,908. Now, this might be a shorter stream because I want to get back to bed, but I had to come on here and talk about distribution because what a fucking call that was. Okay, so what distribution model is? Oh, lower the tunes, bro. Thanks, good call. Let me see. Okay. All right, which distribution model is this? Who knows? Who knows what this is? Um, Model 2. It is not a Model 2. Dude, Barb is the GOAT. Barb is the GOAT. No one said it still. What distribution model is this? You got 1 hit, 2 hits, break a structure, 3rd hit sweeps the high. Man, I'm still not seeing it. Come on, guys. Somebody knows what kind of distribution model this is. There we go. Model 1. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So it's the same thing as accumulation, right? We flip it upside down. There's Model 1. So I signaled to you guys that if we lose 88,750, it could get ugly fast. What happens? We lose 88,750 here, and then it gets ugly fast. Now, there's still a shot to get in on, like, so you have the yeah. You have the SOS to the downside here. We could get a mitigation and then continuation. So that's kind of what I'd be looking at in the morning, is for any sort of bounce back up into the distribution level to then sell off and come back and attack this week low. Why do we expect this week low to get taken out? Well, because this is still the 4-hour week high. We are still in a 4-hour downtrend, so the target of that would be 85,941. Bearded, I know you're still short from up here. Isn't it nice to just follow 4-hour market structure and keep holding the short? If we end up taking these lows, then you can move your stop losses on those shorts up to around 90,500. Oh, man. Gosh, guys, I'm really fucking tired. All right, so what's your active time frame? Your active time frame is your 30-minute. We dumped right through this demand. There's really not much that's going to stop us. If we draw our upward momentum, we're already losing our upward momentum. Really, the next target is to come down to like 85,979. Now, what I am still looking forward to the downside is a sweep of 86,000 down here. So if we come down here and we sweep it and get some sort of bullish indication, we can't go long there. Yeah, thanks for popping in here, Isaac. We're probably going to be calling it soon too. And to the upside, you're looking for any sort of mitigation of this low. So if we start pumping up in the morning and then we get bearish indications at this level, then we can get in a short targeting the 4-hour week low. So that's kind of the two things that we're looking at. Would be a sweep of this and then a bullish flip, or come down here, flip around, come up in the mitigation and break it here. But this was a very clean distribution model, very clean. Generally you get short in here off the distribution model. Also for sleep advice. Oh man. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll answer any questions you guys have. We chill out here. The target for everything, Barb, is 85,987. Yeah, so the breakup structure video that I advise is there's a full market structure course on my channel. Can you look at some alts, please, like Link? Yeah. Look at Link for you, bro. Yeah, bro. I mean, Link just pops into the golden pocket and down we go. Target on Link is 11,355. I mean, you could argue that you have a little bit of support on Link here, but you'd have to see some sort of bullish reaction on like the 15-minute down here. So if we come down into here, we get a bullish reaction, you could look to long, but this is the discount of the 4-hour range. What the problem is, you are rolling over aggressively, and that would target 11,351. So I would say 11,533 is kind of the first level that I'd look for on Link. Otherwise, look for Link to come down just like on Bitcoin. Everyone's going to bed. Alright. Look, I'm just going to go ahead and call it here too. I gave you guys the levels on Bitcoin. Make sure you rewind, check it out. The two things that I'm looking for on Bitcoin are either a mitigation of this distribution, although there's not really much of a reason why we would come back up, or if you're looking for a sweep, you're looking for a sweep of the 4-hour low here at 85,957. Pretty much every time frame flipped bearish after this. We still have a bearish on the 1 hour. With our 1 hour strong high of here, we're still bearish on the 30-minute. We're still bearish on pretty much every time frame. There's a nice 30-minute J Powell up here. And the target for all the shorts is down here at 85,920. I fucking love each and every one of y'all. Thanks for coming out to the stream. I'm sorry I overslept. Won't happen again. I'll see you guys at the regular time tomorrow. But as always, my name is Wave Cipher. Much love. Trade safe. Enjoy this distribution. Hold on to your shorts. And trade safe. I'll be here tomorrow at the normal time. Good night, guys.